This is a short trip report on a flight in Lufthansa's A350 from Newark to Munich in a business class. At the airport in Newark, you're allowed to use the fast lane and then you can enter the lounge. The lounge is quite new and has a good atmosphere and offers a quite choice of food. After you have embarked the plane, you see that the business class seat is the same seat Lufthansa offers on his other planes. The chairs are placed in a 2-2-2 conversion. What's really new is the new light concept, and this is really quite convenient during the flight. And the whole cabin looks really larger, with large windows that offer a good view on the outside. As you can hear during the takeoff and the whole flight, the noise level is quite low. What's really new is the size of the video screens. They're quite larger than they are in the old Lufthansa seats. The quality of the food and wines that are offered and served is quite high, and it's really delicious to eat here. Due to the new concept with higher humidity and higher pressure on board, you have a convenient stay and a good night's sleep. The restrooms are quite packed, but overall it's quite agreeable to be on board. The flight with the A350 from Lufthansa was really a nice experience, and I would like to fly more of this kind of aircraft type. If you like the video, please like it and join my channel.